There are many different traits that we could put into our anchor chart, but I want you guys to have a chance to do it on your own. So I'm going to allow you to pick your book of choice. You can pick any book you want, but it does need to be a picture book. That way you can see their physical traits as well and not have to pick them from the story. You can pick any character out of the book that you want. It might be easier if you pick a main character just because they talk about that character more, their personality, emotions, physical traits. You'll see all the characters about the same. But we're going to create a little booklet, so you're just going to get a piece of paper like this, and you're just going to fold it in half like this. You want these sides to touch, just like that, and then you're going to crease down the sides, just like that. And so I made one already a little bit. I didn't draw the bunny's face. I drew just a little head with some hair right here, just so you got the idea of the picture. But you're going to draw your character. So in this case, we would draw our bunny right here. And you want to make sure it's like on the fold, so when you open it, like half and half. And you're just going to do it all over the front. And then the outside is going to be your outside physical traits. You can write that down at the bottom, outside physical traits, when you're done. Okay. And then, so you'll write the outside physical traits as I did. So hairy, brown, bunny. And you're going to do that with your character after you read your story. And then the inside, you're going to do inside personality traits. You're going to write that at the bottom. And then you'll write the personality traits on the inside. So we did brave, strong, worrisome is what I had put when I made it. But, you know, courageous will go in there. But when you're done, I want you to get the picture and the words done, and then we'll go back and we'll add color, because I do want you to put some color on it. Because if, you know, the character has blue eyes or something, I want you to be able to see the blue eyes. But go ahead and read your book first, and then I want you to create your activity booklet. So you'll have about 20 minutes to get that done, to read your book and to make your booklet. We've already got it made, so you just have to draw and write on it. And I want you to make sure you're thinking of all the traits that are in the book as you're reading, so that way when you get to the end and you make your booklet, you're not having to, you know, go back and look. You're able to just have it in your head and think of the video that we went over, all the traits we used yesterday, the traits we used today, and that's going to help you a lot. So you're going to have about 20 minutes to do that, and then we are going to share some. If you're not done by the time the 20 minutes is up, it's okay. We'll have more time later today to work on it. Okay, who wants to share their booklets? Good job. Does anybody else want to share their booklet? Great job. All right, so yesterday and today we have learned about character traits, and from the people in our classroom and also in the book that we read, A Little Bit Brave, we learned that he was courageous and that he's brown, and we learned lots of feelings and emotions and physical traits as well. Because when you look at these traits, they affect the story. And for example, he was scared in the beginning, but because he was courageous, it changed the storyline, and he went outside to save Luna. If he wasn't courageous and brave, then he wouldn't have went and saved Luna, and the book wouldn't be the way that it is. So as you're reading your stories, you see that the way that the characters' traits are affects how the story has its outcome. So I want you to keep that in mind in your future books. And that's it for today.